The next thing I'd like to show you is how to edit personnel data in the toolbox. So I realized that I accidentally added the wrong email address for Misty. So I need to fix that. And to do that, I use the same button that I used to add the personnel. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the Add Personnel button again. I'm going to make my form smaller. And now you'll see that this is a blank record. And that's how the toolbox works, is that since you use these forms mostly to enter data instead of edit data, it opens up to a blank record as if you were going to enter a new person. So I need to navigate to Misty Fairview's record in the toolbox, and the way I do that is I use the navigation buttons, and the navigation buttons are here on the bottom left hand side of the screen. And you'll notice that it says 3 out of 3 records. That is because the toolbox is using this last record and saying that it actually exists, even though it doesn't exist yet. So there's really only 2 records in there. It's just saying 3 for now. But when I begin clicking on this, you'll see that that changes. So I'm going to click on that back arrow button, and that's going to take me to the previous record. So now you'll see that it says 2 out of 2 as it should. So the last record is actually myself, and that's not the one I need. I need Misty, so I need to click on the back arrow button again. And now we're in her record in the toolbox. So I am going to go ahead and use the Tab key to take me into the email address field. So now we're in that field, and I just forgot to put the F after her name. So it should have been Misty F at tribe.tribemail.gov. So I'm just going to click right there with my mouse, and that brings my cursor right there. And then I'm just going to type F. And now her email address is corrected. And since I don't have any other corrections that I need to make, I'm going to go ahead and click Save Personnel Data and Exit Data Entry. This button on the right. And that closes that form, and this is that form that I'm going to click on Exit Form button. And that takes me back to the new user's fast track form, and that concludes how to edit personnel data.